In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Twitch account. So firstly, type in any browser twitch.tv. Then click on sign up. Now give any username and check any available username. This is the name people will know you by on Twitch. You can always change it later. So you can change your username when you need. Now enter your password. Confirm your password. Date of birth. Your email. Then click on sign up. Now check your email. Click on verify your account or enter this confirmation code. Welcome to the. So now after successfully, so now when you created successfully your account, you will see welcome to this Twitch account. Choose some interest. Then click on done. That's it. So like this guys, you can create your account. Thanks for watching this video.